Okay, it just came in the mail from Katz Deli in New York City all the way to Honolulu, Hawaii. My Katz box. It's the Triple Classic package. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Okay, straight to Honolulu, Hawaii from New York City. Here we go. I'm gonna open this baby up. And let's see. The first thing we see is the shipping sheet. It's got pastrami, corned beef, brisket, sour pickles, mustard, rye, and let's take a look. Okay, first thing, thank you, Katz. They have a great way to prepare the meats, little step-by-step directions. And got a temper pack here. Oh, and the first thing, because I got the triple classic, I could have had a t-shirt or a hat. I chose the hat. I got enough t-shirts. Maybe next time I'll get a t-shirt. Cool little Katz hat, cap. Put it on right now. Fits great. Okay, so what do we have in here? We have pickles, and these, we decided to go with the half sour. So we got one half sour, another half sour of pickles. We love the pickles. And rye bread. Gonna make some great sandwiches out of this. Oh, another package of rye. We're gonna have enough for plenty of sandwiches. We have Katz famous Deli Mustard. Oh, and they gave us two mustards. And well packed in ice, we have our meats. So we have, oh, looks like a pound of pastrami, nicely sliced. It looks just beautiful, a lot of fat on it. I love pastrami. And looks like a beef brisket, which is fantastic. Can't wait to get to it. And this looks like the corned beef. Now, full disclosure, as I always say, I have nothing to do with Katz. I'm not involved in anything. I didn't get any discounts. But I think for the price, I think it was about 150 bucks, 145 bucks, shipped straight to Hawaii. And you don't get a lot of things shipped here. So for me, it's just well worth it. I can't wait. And we've had the Triple Classic at Katz before, where they bring it out on a whole plate, everything sliced up, beautiful. And this time we wanted to try it at home. So we're gonna make some sandwiches, and I'll see how it is. Okay.
The great thing about Katz is they give you simple, easy, step-by-step instructions. You want to defrost the meat to room temperature. Make sure you don't remove it from the plastic. You want to boil water in a saucepan that's large enough to submerge the entire meat package. You want to submerge the entire meat package in the water, and then you reduce the heat to low and cover for about 5 minutes. You carefully remove the package using tongs. You slice it open and enjoy. Very easy to prepare the meat to eat. And I have to say, the sandwiches were fantastic. Having the pastrami, the corned beef, and the beef brisket was just incredible. We were able to make a whole bunch of sandwiches when we sat down to eat, and we certainly had leftovers. The pickles were great. We liked the half sour instead of the whole sour. We've had them both, and you can decide what you like. The only thing that was kind of lacking was that there was no cheese. So I like cheese on my sandwiches. Maybe you don't like it, so I did have to buy some extra cheese. So I was glad I did. But there's plenty of meat in there. Mustard, pickles. It was just fantastic. And I have to say, the free shipping really, for me, made this a no-brainer. So I totally recommend this package from Katz. It's called the Triple Classic. And as I mentioned, we've had it before at Katz, and it was exactly the same. Tasted just fantastic. So I hope you enjoy getting a package from Katz as well, and I'd love to hear your comments about it. Would I buy this package again? Absolutely. I was very satisfied with it. It was great. I think next time I may try another package. I'm not really sure what we'll do, but it was good. The Triple Classic was excellent. If you could show a little pizza love and subscribe, that would be great. Pizza and deli meat on earth. Goodwill to all.